welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. This is going to be one you're not going to want to miss. Itinerary for today, we're having a little pre-meet. We're supposed to be right here, but apparently I'm the first one here. Sick ass location though, as you can see, a big tower behind me. And then right after that, we're going to the Huntington beach meet, which starts at 4 p.m. and it's going to go till like 8 p.m. So we have a freaking awesome day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the vlog. Are you excited for the beach meet?
If I can get some food in me.
Hey, what's this? Talk to us about the beach meet real quick.
I don't know much about it. I just heard that it's gonna be by the ocean, right?
By the beach, on the beach.
And one thing that I need is candy, soda, and Chick-fil-A.
That thing's kind of cool. I like that. It's so small. I think my car's small, but nah.
Do you want to say something in camera or what?
About what, babe?
I don't know. Anything to your YouTube? Devin sucks.
Yeah, no. People finally showed up, so we're getting some dope B-roll on the drone, but Bobby's always getting crabby at me because she thinks I fly the drone with you.
He's wild with that thing.
Oh yeah, that thing winking at you.
Put her down.
Winking at you. There you go, babe.
Thank you.
I gotta get all these dudes grams and tag them and shit.
What's up, my little YouTubers? What? I have to switch up.
Alright, so we pulled up to another pre-meet.
Baby, shush.
This is like the third pre-meet I've been to before the actual meet itself. There's some fucking insane cars, you guys. There's some wild GTRs and whatnot. I might get out the drone again, but for now, let's see some cars. What's up, man?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, Devin.
Eddie. Nice to meet you, bro.
Okay, what the f am I driving?
Step up your game.
What?
Step up your game.
You step up your game. You have a Genesis. I like this one right here. Damn, that fucking vinyl on it. Trade all my cars, every single one of them, and the bike for one of these. What'd he say?
Let's do it. I'll help
What?
you. I'll help you take it apart.
You don't own nothing. Take what apart?
All your cars. Put them back to stock. I'll help you so we can get one of these. I know, she's beautiful.
Yeah, she's a beautiful car. I think it's dope. I like the color.
I like that.
Yeah, you're still too good.
What? Excuse you?
So we finally made it out to the beach. Me, babe, you're going back. You're going back. Yeah, I got it. I got it. As you guys can see, we finally made it to the beach meet. I'll play the edit in 3, 2, 1.
Spikes off my roof, Taxton.
They what?
They straight ripped the spikes off my roof at Taxton.
This place is straight up wild. That dude just got arrested for doing a burnout. There's a helicopter in the air behind me. This place is so freaking wild. How we got arrested? You see that?
He did?
He got arrested and she got arrested for doing a burnout.
That's messed up.
Why?
Well, I saw their radar gun. Or is it radar?
Yeah, they were seeing how fast he was going.
No, for real.
No, it was a taser.
What?
It was a taser.
Why?
Tell him to get the fuck out of the car. Should I get the cop near me now? Should I go get Cloudy with him?
That's messed up. I don't want to get arrested.
We're not gonna get arrested. We're just chilling.
Wait, so why did they get arrested?
For doing burnouts and shit. How was the meet? That's all you gotta say?
That was pretty crazy. Oh, these are in the bathroom either.
What the hell? As you guys saw from the footage, this meet was like I can't even talk. It was so wild. It was
crazy.
What? My hair's crazy?
No, it was crazy to me.
Yeah, it was insane. Apparently that's the most wild one they've had yet here at the beach. Here at the beach, I'm on the beach. But now we are gonna chill on the beach, have a bonfire, and hopefully eat food because I'm hungry. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Should I end the vlog here?
End the vlog.
I'm gonna end the vlog here. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button right up in the corner up there.
And
Thank you so much for watching.
And we'll see you back in Spokane.
No, I'm hella gonna vlog tomorrow. We're gonna get hella cloudy with, what's his face? Who is it? Daniel. We're gonna get cloudy with Daniel tomorrow. I'll see you guys then.